In this video, I will share with you how to add a phone call button in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then click on this websites button and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your next to your website. If you have a long list of websites here and you want an easy way to differentiate between websites built using Hostinger website builder and others built using WordPress, just look to the little icon next to each website. The first two websites are WordPress websites, and the third one is a website built using Hostinger website builder. Just a quick tip. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and the first way to add a phone call button is to use this big button in the header. If you don't have it, just select the header section by clicking on it. Click on this edit header button. A new window pops up. Go to I think elements and enable this option next to show button. Enable it like that and you will see your big button here. Now to edit this button, just click on this little link called edit button below show button, or go from the elements tab to the style tab and select button from this list. Now give your button text for example, call plus your phone number, for example, like that. Now from link to select phone number, and now refill your phone number this way. You can edit your button fill color. For example, let's go with, for example, green, and the text color I will give it a black color. You can also change the text font. You can upload one from your computer or select one from this long list. You can also edit the button or the button text size using this slider. And for the button border, you can edit it just like that. Let's go with this yellow color. Let's make the border width a little bit bigger, and you can also play with the button corner design. Now let's close this window, update my website and view it live. If I click on this button, as you can see, I am on a Mac computer. My website tries to open my FaceTime application. If your website visitor is on a smartphone, I think they will open the call application or call app. Now, this is the first way. Another way, this time it will not be a phone call button, it will be a phone call link. To add it, simply select your header section again. Click on, before I move to the second way to add your phone call button or link, a good way to keep this button displaying is to make your header section sticky. First select the header section, then click on edit header and check this option next to make header sticky. This way, when your visitor scrolls down, he keeps seeing this phone call button or your phone call button. The next way to add a phone call link to your website is to use the Hostinger sticky bar feature. Just select the header, you will see this, or just hover over the header section with your mouse, you will see this button, add sticky bar. Click on it. Fill in your text, for example, we're open from or call us. Fill in your number, for example, just like that. Now select your phone number like that. When you select the text, you will see this toolbar. Select the link button or link icon. Click on it. Now this little link settings window pops up. Select to link to a phone number and refill your phone number just like that and hit save. Now let's make this text a little bit bigger. And to distinguish your sticky bar from your header section, you can give this sticky bar a different color. Just select the sticky bar section like that. Click on edit section. From the background tab, select color and select a color. Let's go with this green color. Now update your website again and hit view site. Now this is your sticky bar is always sticking to the top. Now since this sticky bar is sticky to the top, let's unstick this header section. Same thing, select the header, edit header, make it unsticky, update your website and view site live. Now only the sticky bar is sticking to the top with our phone number. And this is how to add a phone call button or link in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.